Hi everyone, I am Fiona. This video mainly explains how to adjust the furnace temperature of the EPS underfloor heating panel film coating machine. In this test video, we used 0.2 nm thickness PS film at 270 degrees. Each 0 button on the touch screen corresponds to one heating brick in the machine's heating area, totaling 60 heating bricks. The temperature of each heating brick can be independently adjusted. Each heating brick is 650 W, 220 by 5. When the PS film size is smaller than the heating area, you can choose to turn off some of the electric furnace's heating brick to save energy. As shown in the video for the unused heating areas, press the 0 button to turn them gray, which means disabled. Disabling order should start from left to right. Generally, when setting the temperature, the closer to the edge, the higher the temperature, and the closer to the center, the lower the temperature. A temperature controller is installed at D3 location, and the current temperature is the temperature displayed on the temperature controller at D3. The temperature of the electric furnace needs to be adjusted based on the PS film thickness, composition, and adhesion of the PS film result. This requires customers to gradually explore in order to achieve the most suitable temperature. The temperature adjustment can be controlled through set the temperature or by modifying a specific area.